So I have, that's the back. It does feel, oh, my time just went off. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my white robe on, so that usually means that I have a mask coming up or some sort of skincare video. So this video is definitely going to be a nice, simple, relaxing video for sure, and I just wanted to keep it nice and short. Now I do know that I do look a little ridiculous with this thing because it's so big, but it's so cute. I got this a while ago and I haven't used it because I feel like it's so big, but you know what, I got it and I need to just use it, and it's nice. Okay, so please don't hate on my little headband. It has a little bow. So let's get on with the video now that I look nice and relaxed and spa ready. I do have some sheet masks that I want to try out today. So the first sheet mask I want to try out is this Foaming Bubble Sheet Mask by NEXTGENBEAUTY, and I actually picked this up from Forever 21. I was really curious because I've seen foaming masks before and I really wanted to try one out, so I figured why not? So I picked this up. It was only like $3 and I want to see how it works and if it does anything good for my skin. So the directions are that you need to clean your face and apply this onto damp skin, and then it'll start to bubble up a little bit, and then in 10 to 15 minutes just take it off and rinse your face with warm water. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So I'm going to go ahead and dampen my skin first, and then we'll come back and I'll put this on my face. So I dampened my face with water. I already washed it and cleaned it earlier, and now I'm just going to take the face mask and apply it onto my face. Alright, so let's do this. So I have 15 minutes on the clock right now, and we'll just wait, I guess. Oh, I could already feel it like foaming, guys. I don't know if you can tell. Oh my goodness, it's already foaming. That's cool. Alright, let me not touch it. Let me not touch it. I didn't do my hair or anything, that's why it looks so frizzy right now. So that's good because I do have it kind of like on my hair. I can just wash that off, which is good. But I do want to try 2 more masks after this, and it is a lip mask and a banana sheet mask. It's only been like 4 minutes, not even, and it's already foaming. So it's deep cleansing, so hopefully it's doing that. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. It feels cool. I could kind of hear like the bubbles like crackling, but it doesn't feel weird on the skin though. Yeah, it feels nice. It smells nice too. It doesn't smell weird or anything. But I think I'm only gonna leave it for like 10 minutes because it's already foaming so much. Look at that. Look at that. It's like, oh my gosh. It's so cool. Alright, let me leave it alone again. So filled up that area again that I touched. So it's a lot of foam. I feel like I look like a panda. It's too close to my lashes. It's like on my lashes right now. Hopefully it doesn't get in my eye because that would be bad. But this is so funny looking. Okay guys, so I've had this on for 10 minutes. It's gotten really, really big and bubbly looking. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. But like, look at that. That is so crazy and cool. Very cool. So let me just take this off. Woo. So that's what that looks like. It has so much foam in it. Look at that. So much foam. And before I mess this place up, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with warm water, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So my skin does feel nice and clean. There was a lot of soap to kind of like wash off of my skin. Also, it didn't feel dry. I felt like there was something like smooth on my skin when I was washing it off. It didn't feel like it was really stripping my face, even though it's like a deep clean, but it does feel nice and clean, and it feels tingly. So it has like that fresh, like my face just got came out of a spa kind of a feel. So since the first mask was a deep cleansing mask, I do want to do a moisturizing mask as well, just to hydrate my skin again. So I'm going to go ahead and use this sheet mask. It's the banana sheet mask by Jeju, I think that's how you say it. And so this is basically a hydrating sheet mask. And basically it says that it has a lot of moisture and it has hyaluronic acid, and it's good for plumping up dry skin for full moisture, glowing skin in minutes. This you leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. I might leave it on for 20 minutes just to give it a little bit more moisture. I also wanted to add this lip mask to it, but I don't know if I'll have, I think I might be able to. I don't know if like it'll cover enough. No, but my lips don't get covered. Yeah. So let me go ahead and put this on first, and then we'll see if I can add that. So this does have some cute like writings on it. I like to keep all my sheet masks in the refrigerator because it keeps it nice and cool. So I'm going to add this onto my face. Before I add the lip mask, which I think I can, I do want to say that I do really appreciate their packaging. It's really nice. Like their design, it has like a little banana here, and it says this sheet is bananas, which is cute. So that's really cute packaging. So that's everywhere. I do like to add a little bit onto my neck. I added 15 minutes on the clock. And now I'm just going to put my lip mask on. So this is the first time I'm trying a lip patch mask, whatever it is. And this is by SooÁe. And I do have a few like sheet masks from them. I really like them. They're a really cool brand. So this feels so weird. Let me see what it says real quick. Smooth away lip lines, dry cracked lips in 15 minutes. Alright, so I do have 15 minutes on, and I will let you know more about this once I take this off. Woo! Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Now I can take this stuff off. Ooh. Now what I like to normally do when I have sheet masks on is whatever's left over in the packet, because there is some like you know, a little bit of the sheet mask on the packet. I like to take that and put that all over my face so that I don't waste any hydration. Get my neck too. And then pat everything in. Yeah, so it feels really nice. I think I do need to add a little bit of moisturizer onto my lips because it does feel dry. But I will tell you what this lip patch is supposed to do. It's supposed to smooth away your lip line and cracked lips, and also give it hydration. And so it has like collagen in it, licorice root, green tea extract, all of those to moisturize your lips with. It also has nutrient-rich formula, so there are 5 super berries that are in here for antioxidant and to restore your skin and lip health. So it includes strawberry, blueberry, bearberry. I've never heard of bearberry. And bearberry. Sounds like Burberry, right? Bearberry, cranberry, and blackberry. So it has those extracts in there. So that's what it's supposed to do. It doesn't feel super dry, but it is dry. I can feel that it is dry, and it's not moisturized because we're so used to it. But yeah, everything is soaked into my skin now. It feels so nice and hydrated. It feels so nice and clean. So all those masks were amazing, and I feel like I gave myself a nice little spa treatment. I love doing this every so often. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for joining me while I give myself a little spa treatment, even though I look like a crazy mess right now. This is not even all of it, guys. I had to tag some of it back just so it doesn't look super big. But for today, I just wanted to relax and just do some face masks and not have to worry about anything else. So this felt really nice. I'm glad I could spend a few minutes with you guys and show you what I do. So I do still have a giveaway going on for magnetic lashes. I have all the information in my previous video, which I will leave a link to it up here. And please go and check it out and enter the giveaway. So you can also win a pair of Belle Chloe magnetic lashes. Those were very interesting. So definitely go and check out my other video and enter. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a message as to what you do to relax. And as always, please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! You guys want to see all of it? It's crazy. I had to pin the rest of it back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tame this.